Now we are going to understand about toString method present in Java. ToString method is one of the important methods in Java programming. So what purpose the toString method generally used? Okay, the toString method can be used to return instance variable values of object as what? String. Okay, for example, for suppose there is an object present. This object contains what? Some variables like name. Okay, name is equal to, let's say that king present, and age is equal to, let's assume that 25. So you want to return this object content as a string. For example, like this, you want to return the name is equal to king and age is equal to 25. Like this object content, okay, this object content, if you want to convert into string and you want to return this particular value, then you can use what? ToString method. Okay, so ToString method can be used to convert object content as a string and return okay. Let us understand with the help of an example. Okay, now the toString signature is predefined in java.lang.object class. Okay, and the syntax is, you can see that public string and what? toString, and here you can write the programming statements and return the string object. Okay, now the toString method is called implicitly when an object is used in the expression. Okay, so when does this toString method will be called? The toString method is called implicitly when an object is used in the expression, like what? Print statement. So whenever you are using an object in the output statement, okay, in the output statement like this, now this object will implicitly call, internally call the toString, and whatever the string object that is returning, that it will return here and it will print on the monitor. Okay, right. Now the toString method can also be called explicitly using object name. So we can also call this particular method name, or toString method name explicitly by using what? Method name. Let's say that obj dot toString. See, the toString method is called here. toString method is called by using the object name, and this is called as explicit calling, means we are calling ourselves. Okay, now the same statement we can also use here. See, here also we are calling the toString method. Okay, so like this toString method is called internally, or it can be called what? Externally, by using the object name. Okay, now let us see here. Let us understand with the help of an example. In this particular program, I have created one class called as what? Person class, containing the name as king and age as 25. Okay, and I have written one toString method. See, the signature is very similar to the thing that I have explained now. Public string toString. Now this name and age I am converting into string. See, name is equal to plus name, age is equal to plus age. So this totally becomes, how it is going to become? So it is going to become like this. Name is equal to, what's the name of name here? It is king. Therefore it concatenate as what? King. So name is equal to name. Okay, then age is equal to age. Now it will concatenate like this. Age is equal to age. What's the age? Is 25. Okay, and this particular string is stored in what? S variable. Okay, so it becomes S is equal like this. Now return yes. Yes means this string it is going to return now. Okay, return. So like this the toString method is written. So what is the toString method is doing? toString method generally, I repeat once again, toString method returns, okay, object variables as string. As what? String it will return. Okay, all these variables it will convert as a string and returns. That is what purpose generally we use the toString. Okay, now here I am creating an object of the person class. Okay, this is a person class object is created. This is what the person class object created. Okay, now see, obj system.out.println ob. Now ob, what does it do? It calls immediately the toString method. It will call the toString method and it will return this particular S value, name is equal to king and age is equal to 25. It will return here and it will print on the monitor. So this is the output that you got. Okay, and this is called implicitly here. Now we can also call this toString method explicitly by using object name. See, ob.toString. So system.out.println ob.toString. Now we are calling the toString, okay, by using the method name. So toString method is called, which is also return the same content here present in the S, which will return here, prints on the monitor. Okay, now we are calling the toString method, and the toString method returns the name is equal to king, age is equal to 25 string and assigns to yes, and this yes we are printing over here. Okay, like this you will be getting the output. Is that clear? So final conclusion is toString always used to return the object content as what? String variables. Clear? Right. But we are not going to write like this two statements, please. Okay, what we are going to do here, it is this particular thing we are going to write here. Okay, so let me comment here. This is a comment. Now we are going to write directly here, please. Directly we can write here. This is how we are going to write. Okay, so let me run the program. Let me run the program. Clear? Okay, fine. Now actually we need not to write the toString method. Let's see here, please. Let me remove it. toString can be automatically generated. How? Let's say that Alt Shift S. Okay, what you have to press, please? Place the cursor inside the class. Alt Shift S. It is going to show one pop-up menu. So in this one you have to select what? Generate toString. Okay, generate toString. Just click on it. Now yes, okay, fields. Select the fields that you want to return, name as well as what? Age, and just what? Generate. That's it. Now see, the toString method is automatically generated for you, and this is what override annotation you will be getting. Okay, no problem if you remove it. This is nothing happens. Okay, right. So this is what, if it is also present, nothing is going to happen. Okay, right. So this is a string it is returning. Return, okay, person. First of all it will give the class name, and in the square brackets it is going to return, see, name is equal to name and age is equal to age. Got it? This is the string object content it is going to return by the toString method by default. Clear? So here person object is created. Same again, system.out.println OB. OB means what you'll get. Let me delete this particular thing, please. Okay, now OB means it is going to call the toString. toString will return this person name is equal to king, age is equal to 25, returns here and prints on the monitor. Okay, so let me run the program. Here I run the program and you can see the output over here. Okay, and you can also call explicitly, same explicitly also you can call it, no problem, like ob dot what? toString. Fine. So the same output you are going to get. So from next class onwards we are going to use the toString to return the object content. Clear? Okay.